Vishnu-Paadaadi-Keshanta-Stotram, shloka 19. Samyak sahyam vidhatum samamiva satatam janghayoh khinnayor ye bhari bhutoru dandadvaya bharana kritottambha bhavam bhajete chittadarsham nidhatum mahitamiva satam te samudgayamane vrittakare vidhattam hridi mudamajitasyanisham januni naha. Padachhedaha and Anvaya. Khinnayoho janghayoho samam samyak satatam sahyam vidhatum iva bhari bhuta uru dandadvaya bharana krita uttambha bhavam ye bhajete te satam mahitam chittadarsham nidhatum samudgayamane iva vrittakare ajitasya januni naha hridi anisham mudam vidhattam. Here Bhagavad Pada describes the well-rounded beautiful knees and then worships that. So we'll look at the Pratipadarthaha. Ye, those pair of knees are satatam, always, samam samyak, appearing to be very well connected. Why? Sahyam vidhatum iva, like as though they want to help. What? Now well connected with the lower leg. That is, here the knees are said to appear like they are part of the lower leg, and a purpose is given. Why? Like as though they want to help what? They want to help the khinnayoho, the tired and pained janghayoho, shins of the legs. Such a te bhajete, purpose the knees seem to serve. Now how does that look? This is compared to what? Bhari bhuta uru dandadvaya bharana krita uttambha bhavam. So these knees seem to serve the purpose of supporting the two heavy thighs. How are the thighs? They are like two staffs or sticks, which are similar to the supporting pillars of a building. So the knee is serving the supporting purpose. Such knees are also vrittakare, rounded in form. And how does that appear? Samudgayamane, that appears like two small boxes, like jewel box with their lids open. And why do they appear like this? So that nidhatum can be placed. What can be placed? Satam mahitam chittadarsham. In order to place the sage's great or revered mind mirror. Here the sage's mind is said to be the mirror, and to help them place that mirror, the knees seem to serve like a jewel box. In other words, the sages meditate on Bhagavan. That's the meaning. Januni ajitasya, such pair of knees of Lord Vishnu, anisham mudam vidhattam, may they always give us happiness in the form of good experiences, naha hridi, in our heart. Now we'll look at the meaning as a whole. The function of the knees is initially praised. The shin of the legs are said to be tired because they are holding the heavy thighs without any help. So, to help these shins, the knees are said to appear to be a part of the lower leg. Then they are well rounded. Further, the placement of the knees, it appears to serve the purpose of weight-bearing pillars in a building, because these knees are said to be taking the weight of the two heavy thighs, which are like two strong staffs or pillars, Uru Dandadvayam. Then these knees appear like small precious jewel boxes with their lid open. And why so? To allow the yogis to place their mind, which is like a clean mirror, in the box. May such knees of Lord Vishnu create joy in our hearts always. Now, it is said, Januni Ratna Mukurakare Tasya Mahibhujaha, which means Uttama Purusha, that is a male from a royal descent, is said to have knees resembling a clean round mirror. This description is according to poetic convention. They call it Kavi Samaya. Usually, poets describe the knees like this. So, seeing such beauty, the devotees are said to surrender their mind to this beauty. And this is described as the beautiful rounded knees being small jewel boxes with their lids open and giving room for the devotee to place his heart. This is known as Utpreksha Alankara. Such a metaphoric expression is very rich in imagination. In this description, the first half of the knees are described as support for the shins for carrying the weight of the thighs. Then the third quarter of the shloka, in that the knees are conceived as round-shaped jewel boxes for depositing the mind as if it were a mirror. In other words, the idea is to concentrate the mind on the knees of the Lord. The Srimad Bhagavata Purana says, Uru Janghantaralavartini Sutalam Vishwamurtehe. Vishwamurtehe is Lord Narayana or Lord Vishnu in his macro cosmic form. When he is personified, then his Uru means thighs and Jangha means the shins. Antaralavartini denotes the knees. So, the Lord's knees in the cosmic form, they are the Sutalam, one of the regions below the earth. So, like this, every part of the cosmic body is connected with something in the nature around us. So, that's how the cosmic form of Lord is to be visualized. With this, explanation for this shloka is concluded. Namaste.